Hello. Today, my given topic is how to give self introduction and impress the interviewer. Self introduction is an ice breaking process. It is to start the conversation and make the candidate feel more comfortable with the interviewer. So, to give a proper self introduction, one should be very much clear about the content of the self introduction. So there are some important topics or steps you need to include that in your self introduction to be more proficient and more professional. So there is, firstly you have to mention your name and your little bit of family background and your native place. Then you have to mention your academics in reverse chronological order, means which degree you have got last, you should mention it first, and so on. Then mention about your skills, training, achievements, what you have achieved so far. Then you can also mention the preferred or specific training or skills which is very much related to the present job you have applied for. So this will create a very much good impact to the interviewer, so that he can think that you have potential skills to get that particular job. And then you can mention your short time and long time goals regarding your career, something like that. And you can mention also your hobbies. Just keep your introduction engaging and make it crisp and short. And also try to emphasize on the skills and the training which is related to this particular job you have applied for, so that the interviewer can relate your skills to the required skills for that particular job advertisement. Now regarding impress your interviewer, you should dress accordingly. You should be in a good condition of regarding your apparel and your personality. So you need to work on your personality, your interpersonal skill, your dressing sense. Okay. So, and another most important thing, you need to very much good research about the company and the post and the skills which you have applied for, and the job description. You need to read the job description very carefully and research about the company very well, so you can give a positive aspect to them to get you hired. So these are the basic things of giving a self introduction and impress the interviewer. Thank you.